You know, a lot of people think that emergency funds are only for the wealthy or those with stable jobs. But let me set the record straight, that's just not true. Emergency funds are crucial because they provide a financial safety net during unexpected situations like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. Having one allows you to cover essential expenses without relying on credit cards or loans, helping you avoid debt and financial stress. It provides peace of mind and stability in times of crisis, allowing you to weather unforeseen circumstances with confidence. Start building your emergency fund today to safeguard your financial future. Take my friend, Alex. He used to believe he couldn't save because he was living paycheck to paycheck, barely making ends meet. However, with a little guidance, he realized that saving is possible for everyone. It's not about how much you earn, but rather about prioritizing your expenses. And guess what? Now Alex has built up an emergency fund that saved him when his car unexpectedly broke down last month. He didn't have to stress about covering the repair costs because he had that safety net in place. So, if you want to experience that peace of mind like Alex did, start building your emergency fund today. Follow us for more.